My name is Chris Stewart. I'm the manufacturing engineer here at Pollington Machine Tool.
We machine primarily aluminum and steel for aerospace, automotive, commercial, renewable energy projects.
We went from being just a small operation to a very large tier 1 operation for a couple of vendors that we manufacture a lot of parts for.
The senior leadership, management, and ownership pushes to be at the top with the technology.
We needed Pico in here because it was going to help with a lot of issues.
So the first thing we did with Pico was we built the work instructions, put it on the screens at the assembly table.
We built our work instructions in Pico both in English and in Spanish. The work instructions are set up identical. Pictures, everything is the same, but yet I could go back there and flip it over to English.
Within a month, we passed the safe launch after putting Pico in. Prior to that, we were failing once or twice every week.
All the data is logged. Take a part in the beginning, take another part, and by the end, those two parts are tied together to form a new part. So whether I look up the serial number of the final part, or if I just grab the serial number of one of the individual parts, everything leads back to the final assembly.
Now we can start to share that information with our customer and they can access it.
I feel we got a lot of value out of using Pico. I think we'd be struggling back here a lot more without it. Not just the work instruction side, but tracking all the parts.